In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Telegram on your laptop or PC. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Telegram Desktop. This is the website we're looking for. Let's click on it. If you can't find the website, the link will be added to the description. On the website, click on Get Telegram for Windows. Wait for the app to download. After the download is complete, click on the storage icon beside the file. This will open your downloaded file in your drive. Now double-click on your downloaded file. A pop-up should appear to choose your preferred language. I will leave it as English and click on OK. You can select the folder where you want to keep the app data from here. I'll leave it as it is and click on Next and Next again. Now click on Install. After the installation process is done, click on Finish and Telegram should run automatically on your display. In the Telegram app, click on Start Messaging. Now you can log in by two methods. The first is using this QR code and the second one is using your number. Let's see the QR code first. Open Telegram on your mobile phone. In the top left corner, tap on the three vertical lines. In the left side menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Devices. Tap on Link Desktop Device. Now scan the QR code with your phone and your work is done. Here you can see that my Telegram account is added to my Telegram desktop app. Now let's see the phone number option. This time, click on Log In using your phone number. Now set your country code and add your phone number. Click on Next. A verification code will be sent to your other device where you have already logged in. Enter the verification code here and your account will be added to your Telegram desktop app. Following these steps, you can use Telegram on your desktop very easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.